Welcome, my friends. Today we're diving into something that if any of us as we get older, hair loss, it can feel discouraging, but I want to remind you right now that age is not the end of beauty, strength, or confidence. You have more power than you think to look good, feel vibrant, and even encourage healthier hair growth by the choices you make every single day. When it comes to reversing hair loss and restoring vitality, what you put on your plate each day is one of the most powerful tools you have. Your hair is made up of protein, and without enough of it in your diet, your body has nothing to build strong, healthy strands. Lean meats, eggs, beans, lentils, and nuts provide the foundation your hair needs to grow. But protein is only one part of the equation. Minerals like iron and zinc play a crucial role in carrying oxygen to your follicles and keeping them active. A deficiency in iron often leads to thinning hair, while zinc supports tissue growth and repair, directly influencing the strength of each strand. Equally important are vitamins that energize your scalp and roots. Vitamin D helps awaken dormant follicles, while vitamin C assists in absorbing iron from the foods you eat, creating a cycle of nourishment that fuels healthy growth. Fresh fruits, leafy greens, seeds, and whole grains are not just good for your heart and bones. They provide the raw materials that keep your hair resilient and full of life. Hydration is another silent hero. Water transports all of these nutrients throughout your body, ensuring they reach the very ends of your hair and the deepest layers of your skin. When you consistently give your body what it craves, whole nutrient-rich foods, you're not just preventing further loss, you're creating the environment for stronger, shinier, thicker hair to thrive. The connection between diet and hair is undeniable, and every choice you make at the table is a chance to support your journey toward health and renewal. Movement is one of the simplest and most effective ways to encourage healthier hair growth and overall vitality, especially as we age. Exercise is not only about building muscles or maintaining weight, it has a direct influence on circulation, and circulation is what delivers life, giving oxygen and nutrients to your scalp. When you walk, stretch, or perform light bodyweight exercises, your heart pumps stronger, your blood flows more efficiently, and every cell in your body, including your hair follicles, receives the nourishment it needs to stay active. A scalp with good circulation is more likely to produce stronger, thicker strands because the follicles are not starved of the resources they require. Engaging in gentle activity also helps balance hormones that contribute to hair loss. Stress hormones like cortisol can wreak havoc on your body, disrupting growth cycles and causing shedding. By moving your body regularly, you lower stress levels and encourage the release of endorphins, those natural mood boosters that leave you feeling energized and calm. This hormonal balance is a hidden benefit of exercise that supports not only your hair but your overall wellness. Even simple daily habits make a significant difference. Taking a brisk 20-minute walk, practicing yoga, or doing light stretches in the morning can open up circulation pathways and give your scalp a rush of oxygen-rich blood. Consistency is key because small, regular movements add up over time, training your body to work more efficiently and keeping your systems in harmony. You don't need heavy workouts or intense routines, just steady, enjoyable activities that keep your body flexible and your spirit light. By embracing movement as a daily practice, you are giving your hair the best environment to grow while also building strength, energy, and confidence that radiates through every part of your life. Stress is often an invisible factor behind hair loss, quietly working against your body without you realizing it. When stress levels are high, your body produces more cortisol, a hormone that disrupts the natural balance needed for healthy hair growth. Excess cortisol can push follicles into a resting phase, which means they stop producing new strands and existing hair becomes weaker and more likely to fall out. The mind and body are deeply connected, and learning to manage stress is just as important as nourishing your body with food or staying active. Simple practices like deep breathing can have an immediate effect on calming the nervous system. Just a few minutes each day of slow, mindful breathing lowers your heart rate, relaxes your muscles, and signals to your body that it is safe to heal and grow. Meditation works in the same way, creating a space for stillness where you can release tension and reset your focus. By practicing regularly, you not only train your mind to remain calm under pressure, but you also help your body maintain the hormonal balance that protects your hair. Another powerful tool is gratitude. Shifting your attention from worries to what you are thankful for has been shown to reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Writing down even 3 simple things each day that you appreciate can change the way your body reacts to challenges. Over time, these positive habits lower cortisol, improve sleep, and restore energy levels, all of which directly support healthier hair growth. Stress may be unavoidable, but how you respond to it makes all the difference. When you choose calm, gratitude, and mindfulness, you create an internal environment where your body can thrive and your hair has the chance to grow strong and resilient once again. A positive mindset is one of the most powerful tools for staying youthful, energetic, and confident as you age, and it has a direct impact on your health and even the condition of your hair. When you believe that your efforts to care for yourself matter, you approach diet, exercise, and self-care with more consistency and enthusiasm. This consistency builds long-term results that go beyond appearances, fueling your energy and making you feel younger from the inside out. Your outlook shapes your habits, and your habits shape your body, so keeping your thoughts in a place of hope and positivity is essential. Caring for yourself daily is not only physical, but also emotional. When you practice self-care, whether it is preparing a nourishing meal, going for a gentle walk, or taking a few minutes to breathe deeply, you are sending yourself the message that you are worthy of health and strength. This inner dialogue is what creates resilience. Instead of seeing challenges like hair loss or aging as defeats, you begin to view them as opportunities to adjust your lifestyle and grow stronger. A positive mindset allows you to celebrate small victories, which builds momentum toward bigger transformations. Energy and confidence naturally radiate when you carry a hopeful attitude. Others can see it in the way you move, the way you smile, and the way you interact with the world. This energy encourages you to keep going, to try new things, and to stay engaged with life. With positivity, age becomes less about limitation and more about possibility. Your body listens to the signals you send, and when you focus on optimism, gratitude, and determination, you create a healthier environment within yourself where healing, growth, and vitality can flourish in powerful ways. Small, consistent lifestyle changes are often the most powerful steps you can take to slow down hair loss and regain vitality, because transformation is not about drastic overhauls, but about daily habits that build over time. Choosing whole foods over processed meals, adding an extra glass of water each day, or setting aside 10 minutes for movement may seem simple, but these actions add up to create lasting change in your body and mind. Each small decision signals to your body that it is being cared for, and that care is reflected in the strength of your hair, the glow of your skin, and the energy you carry into each day. Consistency is what turns these small efforts into results. The body thrives on rhythm and routine, and when you provide steady nourishment, regular activity, and proper rest, your systems align and function more efficiently. Hair growth follows cycles, and supporting those cycles with reliable self-care makes it possible to see real improvements over time. Even when progress feels slow, those daily habits are quietly working behind the scenes, reinforcing the health of your follicles, balancing your hormones, and protecting your overall well-being. Equally important is the way small changes uplift your spirit. Each positive choice builds confidence, reminding you that you have control over your health and appearance, no matter your age. This confidence then fuels more good decisions, creating a cycle of progress that extends beyond hair into every area of life. By approaching wellness as a journey of small, achievable steps rather than overwhelming changes, you set yourself up for success. Every healthy meal, every walk, every moment of gratitude is a contribution to your future self, and with time, those contributions shape a stronger, more youthful, and more vibrant version of you.